On today's episode of the Bootstrap Biz Advice Show, I'm going to show you how to make website mockup graphics in seconds. I used to waste so much time doing this in Photoshop, but now I have found a hack and I am going to share it with you. If you would like access to my VIP vault, which is my epic resource library, filled with video tutorials, cheat sheets, checklists, and even stock photos for free, just go to LaShondaBrown.com or you can click on the link in the description. Without further ado, let's hop in. At About 90 Marketing, I create Squarespace websites in 90 days or less. And when I redid my website, I wanted to have some beautiful images of my websites on actual devices. And I was looking around for different resources, and I found that the easiest one to utilize was the website called Smartmockups. So if you go to smartmockups.com and you click on technology, you'll see all the different devices that you can put a screenshot directly on top of within this website. So what we're going to do is click on laptop. You have Mac OS and Windows to choose from. We're going to choose a simple graphic here, and all you need to do is click on URL, type in the website you're trying to pull into the device, and hit capture. When you do that, it's going to pull in a screenshot of your website, resize it for the device, and all you have to do is click on download and decide your image quality. Now, if you are creating graphics for a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad, maybe you don't want the photo background, maybe you just want the computer isolated. And this isn't just for website designers. Maybe you are a coach or a strategist and you have an ebook coming out or a group coaching program, and you want to create a graphic that shows people what they're getting for what they're paying. So you may want to utilize the isolated devices. Same thing, all you need to do is to click on the device you want to use, type in that URL, and when you do that, it will pull in that screenshot and you'll have that transparent background. Now, if you decide that you don't want the transparent background and you want to customize it a little bit, click on customize. You can change the color scheme, you can add your own branding, you can even upload a image as a background or choose a color. You even have the option to crop. So what I love about this website is you're able to create graphics in a matter of seconds. So you're not so caught up with taking screenshots. You can focus on the rest of your design. And so what I did is I started to go through and create those mock-up images of my finished websites. And so when I decided to use my blog, now I had gorgeous thumbnails with very little effort. So I started to pull in those websites, create these images, and then I did screenshots of the before and afters of the sites that I built. And so I think this really took my brand to the next level by making my graphics stand out. And so this is something that you can implement in your business, whether you are a web designer, a graphic designer, a coach, or a strategist. Smart Mockups is an amazing resource for you to use to keep yourself from having to use Photoshop, to keep yourself from having to pay the monthly fee to have the Adobe Suite just to create simple graphics. You can also pull in designs directly from Canva without having to download them with the integration tool that they have. So I really like this resource. I use it on a regular basis, and I wanted to make sure that you guys knew ways that you can save time, because time is money, and that is something that we care about on this channel. I love to find ways to help you to grow your biz without breaking the bank. So if you like this video, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to hop into other types of mockups that you can create using this resource. And I'm also open to a ton of other ideas. So just communicate with me in the comments. I'm sure I will respond to them in a timely manner. And we're just going to continue to work together to help each other grow our businesses. Until next time, ta-ta for now. I use Smart Mockups in my business on a regular basis. If you go to LaShondaBrown.com/SmartMockups, you can set up a free trial. And if you decide to upgrade, use the code in the caption to get 20% off. I hope you enjoy this amazing resource, and I can't wait to see your mockup.